Hey guys, today let's working on the LeetCode question 881. So we're given array, which is people, and it contains all the weight for each person. So we're gonna give the infinite number of boats, and where each boat can only carry a limit weight, and it can only carry 2 people at the same time. So we want to find the minimum number of boats to carry all the person. So give us 3 examples. For the first one, we only need 1 boat, since we can put first one and the second one on the same boat. And the second one, we can put 1 and 2 on the same boat. This is equal to 3. And 2, since 2 plus 3 exceed the limit, so we could put 3 on the third boat. And for this one, we're gonna put we have 4 boats, since any 2 of them added up is gonna exceed the limit. So for this question, if we see something asking you to find the minimum numbers or give you some limit, most of the time it's gonna be a greedy problem. So if we take a look at this example, the first thing I want to do is sort this array, so which gives us 1, 2, 2, 3. Since each boat can only carry 2 people, so we can using 2 pointers, which is left on the index 0 and R at the last index. So each time we want to compare the maximum values to this limit. So since index R is gonna contain the maximum values on this array, so we want to check if this value is less than 3. If it's less than the limit, sorry. So if this less than the limit, if this less than limit, that means we can try to add the minimum value to this weight to see if it is bigger than the limit or not. So in this situation, 3 is not less than the limit, so we can only put 3 on the first boat. And after that, we should shift R to the left. So right now we have 2 is less than the limit, and we can try to add 1 to see if it's bigger than the limit or not. So since 1 plus 2 is 3, so we can put 1 and 2 on the second boat, and we should shift the left index to the right and shift the right index to the left, which is here. So this is the last one, so we want to compare this one to the limit. Since it's smaller than the limit, we can put this on the third boat. Let's take a look at this example. So if we have 3, 3, 4, 5, this is the left index, this is right index, and the limit is 5. So since 5 is equal to the limit, so we can only put 5 on the first boat, and we shift the R to here. So 4 is less than the limit, but 4 plus 3 is bigger than the limit. So we can only do 4 on the second bolt. Same thing, it's gonna move R2 here. 3 plus 3 is bigger than 5. So we're gonna only put 3 on the third one. And this 3 is gonna be the first bolt, which is the output we got. So let's jump back to the code. So the first thing we want to do is sort this array. We're gonna have 2 pointers, which is the left index and the right index. This result is gonna keep tracking of the bolts we need. So while left index less or equal to R, we want to see if the maximum weights is it less or limit or not. So if it's less than limit, we can try to add the left index value to this right index to see if it's less or equal to the limit. And after that, we should move right index to the left by 1 and left index to the right by 1, and then we add 1 to the results. Otherwise, that means the right index is not less than the limit. So we just need to shift the right index to the left and add 1 to the result. So let's run this code. Submit it. You can see this code is still pretty efficient. If you guys like this solution, please like and subscribe. Thank you.